Check this out. We got a big locomotive lashup on the Freeport sub. It's gonna be epic. Check this out. There it is, BC Rail 4649. Wow. That's a big locomotive lashup. Holy cow. That is a massive locomotive lashup. Wow. That is awesome. Wow, that was cool. There it goes. It's going off to Iowa. Taking this subdivision to get up to Dubuque, Iowa. Had to pass through a couple more areas to get up there. But holy cow, it's awesome. It really is. I'm enjoying this 100%. I'm so glad I got over here in time. I thought I wasn't gonna get it here in time, but holy cow, I was. Wow. It's been a while since I was a rail fan here. This was worth every single second. I'm enjoying this 100%. No way am I not absolutely wasting a second on this. Absolutely not. That there was a giant locomotive lashup. I'll have to look back at the footage and see how much there was. But BC Rail 4649 was in there. Sadly it wasn't bleeding, but hey, I still caught it. That's a victory in my book. Wow, this is a long manifest. Holy cow. Maybe there's a reason why they had so many locomotives on it, because of how many cars are on this train. It's gotta be like probably close to 300, 500, maybe 600 on total. Wow, this is one heavy, long, fast manifest, but I'm definitely glad I caught it. No doubt about that. This is a W in my book. Wow. Oh, I can smell that diesel fuel from off this train. Those locomotives are sure working hard. If I can smell that diesel fuel from here. Woo-hoo! Oh, there's the end right down there. A boxcar for the last car. Nice. This is one cool fast manifest. It's been a while since I caught a train like here. This was an awesome catch. There it goes out to Iowa. Westbound. Carrying 4649 in the Lashup. That's a giant, giant fast manifest. Holy cow. Man, am I fortunate enough that I was actually able to get over here in time to see all of that. Wow. That was awesome. I am so not gonna be putting that in a new playlist with rare fall and flat catches. That's the second BC Rail unit I caught. The last one I caught was at West Chicago. It was on the lean sub. Now I caught one on the Freeport sub. Awesome. Well, I'm glad hope you all enjoyed this very, very special catch on the Freeport sub here in Wayne, Illinois, on the border between St. Charles and Bartlett, Illinois. And honestly, I have got to admit, that was one hell of a cool train. See? There it goes. Right down there. Man, that was one hell of a catch. Anyway, this is Bar Rail Fan 05. Thank you for so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Out.